So friends, let's start a small demo here to see how this equipment performs. Later we'll share you the video of a live testing of 132 kV cable, which we have already done and seen the distance from this particular equipment. So let's start with this. We have a face-to-face. We have connected the red to one face, our face, and black to the neutral or green. Like you have seen, you see that we have a LV network model, RYB, neutral and ground. So we can connect to anyone, or we can see it as a face-to-face testing or face-to-ground and see how this equipment performs. This is a network model which has a distance of 200 meters cable in it. So let's start. Switch on the equipment and you can see various information on this particular equipment here. So this is distance, 120 meter distance, gain, range, and VOP, velocity of propagation. The velocity of propagation of this particular model is 160. So we know that. So always when we do this cable testing, we need to make sure that we are inserting right velocity of propagation. So let's start with this set option. So you have pulse, auto, and a different switch selectors, so increase and decrease switch, and then you have a set and a power on. So let's start with the distance. As I told, this is around 200 meters. So let's increase the distance here. We went to 240. Okay, increase the distance, already showing something. So now as we see, let's change the VOP. Now you see the distance here, it is showing me around 240 meters. Since the VOP is wrong, so we are getting a higher distance. So always try to set the proper velocity of propagation so that you can get the accuracy in the fault finding. So let's set the VOP. It is 160. Okay, now it shows exactly the distance of my cable. So it is showing 200 meters. You can see here 200 meters of distance. That's the accuracy of this particular equipment. So now this is how it does. You just need to press pulse. You can see that it shows you the exact distance to fault. Since it's open at the end, so it's showing an open circuit fault. And let's short it and see how it shows. So we are creating a face-to-face fault, short circuit. Then just press pulse. You can see that the inverted graph of showing it's a short circuit fault. And then let's create a fault in between and see what does it show. Just press pulse. So there's already a fault in between the cable distance. So let's move the cursor to the fault point. So the distance to fault is around 99 meters. 100 meters there is a fault. So we have created exactly at the center of the fault, so it is showing accurately 100 meters. So if I open one line and it should show me an open fault at this particular point. Let's see what it shows. It shows that there is an open circuit. Okay, because since we have open the circuit here, let's see what is the distance. The distance is 136 meters. So this is how you can see exactly the open circuit and short circuit fault with this equipment. And once you see the fault or the distance, you can just use this equipment to store the data. There is an option here down saying that press set VOP. Then you see here it shows minus to memory, plus to both. So memory, I'll just press save. Current wave is saved. Means it doesn't save the memory, so we need to connect a USB stick. Okay, then you can save all the data in it. Then just press again minus, current wave is saved, and let's press both. Okay, it's done. So now here you can compare, it's become green. So now just create a fault here, then just press pulse and you move the cursor over there. So this is green and yellow, and then I will save again. Okay, we will press save. Okay, then press save both. Okay, then now let's do some, we can enter to the file mode, press this, let's see the file mode. You can see that all the files are already stored in the particular equipment here. So you can see the different files which has been taken in different times. So whatever you have saved is already stored in the USB stick. So you can select whichever cable you want. You can see the saved data, and just press plus to select the file. Okay, you can see that. Done. So this is a very nice portable equipment which helps you to find the fault, whether it is open or short circuit fault, with the handheld equipment. Thank you. If you need more information, please do contact us.